Still no spring, but at least it's a slightly brighter shade of white today than it was yesterday. The wind has been a little bit insane. So I finished my mirror thing. I think it looks kind of cool, but I haven't figured out if that frame that I painted all glittery so it would go with it, I haven't actually figured out if it is supposed to go with this mirror or not, because they don't really fit. I don't know. But all in all, I kind of like it. I don't know. I like the way that sun turned out. So, it was fun to do, if nothing else. So we are back again with my weekly update on my window garden. I don't know if anybody else is interested in this, but it's absolutely fascinating to me to watch these little things grow. These are my carrots, which seem to be suffering the least from being leggy, although I'm not really sure because it's been a while since I grew carrots anywhere but outside. But yeah, there's the carrots. Here are my hollyhocks, who are doing really good. Hopefully, that will thaw out by the time they're ready to go outside, because these two are going outside. My turnips have gotten real leaves. Now I have to decide if I need to thin them down still further. Very, very leggy, but hopefully that won't disrupt the bulb of the turnip, which is the part I want to eat. These guys, this one's doing really good. So hopefully they'll do all right. And the spinach. So that is my little window garden. I'm not sure if I have to thin the spinach down or if it can stay as thick as I've got it there. I have no idea. I know it's really bad to be so ignorant about planting inside, but usually when I do gardening, I just toss it all outside, and whatever grows, I eat. I've never really tried to do a window garden before, so we shall see. And like I said, hopefully that will all melt before it's time to transplant stuff. I thought we were getting closer to spring, but now I'm not so sure. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later.